So hey everybody, this is going to be a get ready with me video featuring Divaswigs, and as you guys know, I have worked with them plenty of times before, and I'm just showing you guys the packaging right now. It did come to me a little damaged, but of course the wig wasn't damaged, so I'm not too concerned. Also, this is the details of the wig, so it's 100% Indian virgin hair. It's the same as the picture on the website, which is like a 4 and a 613. I got a 150 density, 12 inches. I wanted this to be like super natural and not too thick because bobs on me, when they're too thick, they just look wiggy. So I'm just showing you guys everything that comes in the packaging, and then we're gonna move on. I'm gonna show you guys what this wig looks like on without me doing anything. And I can say that I was super impressed with the quality of this hair. It was super soft, no shedding, no tangles. Now this is supposed to be 12 inches, and to me it looked kind of layered a little bit, but it does have dark roots all the way through, which was a big plus. And then it has your standard combs on the inside, adjustable straps, and it has a lot of lace in the front. Now I don't know why people like a lot of lace in the front, but it definitely has a lot of lace that came over my eyes. This unit fit perfectly. Again, the hair was soft, and again, to me it just looks a little layered and not 12 inches all the way around. So moving on, what I use to color this wig is Pink Petal. I use Kiss colors, and I also use One Adore color. In the same color, Pink Petal, it was the exact same color, only Kiss was a little bit cheaper, so I just bought 3 just in case I needed 3, but I only ended up using 2. So again, I'm just using the water method. I'm boiling the water to make sure it's super hot, and then I'm going to put my color into a container with the water already in there. So I'm just putting my water in there, and then I'm going to mix this up so it's all blended and gives me that nice smooth watercolor. Okay, so jumping right back in, this is the wig after it has been colored, blow dried, and flat ironed just a little bit. I did not want to use a lot of heat on this, so I did let this wig air dry for a couple of hours before I blow dried it, and it came out really good. The hair quality is still amazing. It's still super soft, no shedding, no tangles. I am definitely impressed with the quality of this hair, because 613 hair can be a hit or miss for a lot of companies, but this was actually very easy to work with. So now you're just going to see me playing with the wig. I don't want to glue this down because this is supposed to be like a glueless unit. Of course, no unit comes absolutely glueless, but it did fit my head pretty nicely where I didn't have to do too much adjusting. I just adjusted my adjustable straps and I put my combs in, and it felt pretty secure to me still. I'm just showing you guys all the way around the wig. It came out really pretty. I've never done pink hair myself, so this came out really nice, and I was really impressed at the fact that the roots remained brown. So to me, this unit is definitely something you might want to invest in. It is of course on the pricey side, but it's not too unaffordable to where, you know, you're going to be broke if you buy this wig. Like, it actually was pretty affordable considering that it was a 613 unit. So you're just going to see me just kind of show you guys the lift and like, of course it's not exactly glueless, but if you would put it on, it would still look pretty damn believable. So this is my 12-minute, well, I try to keep it at 10 to 12-minute makeup routine that I do whenever I'm trying to get out the door really quick, or if I have like an event that, you know, I just finished working, I need to get home and do my makeup. So this is just my go-to look and the products that I use, and I like to use NARS as my foundation just because it's not super drying. And so this is the Natural Radiant foundation. So yeah, so it's not super drying. This is just like, it's like dewy yet satin. And so this concealer is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. I like to use this if I'm just going for like a natural look. It's not too dramatic, it's more like I said, natural, and this is just gonna give me like that radiant glow that I want. And of course you're gonna blend this out. So then next I'm using the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. I have really been stuck on this powder for a couple of months now, ever since it came in my BoxyCharm. And this stuff, I really like it. It's no flashback, and it gets rid of any type of like oily look. So it just sets the concealer really nicely without any flashback. So the eyeshadow I'm using is MAC Saddle. It has been one of my staple eyeshadows for transition colors and in the crease. And I use this just to give my eyes a little bit of depth if I'm in a rush, because it still provides like that color pigment, yet it still gives me like a really natural smoky look. So I do like to do this as a just quick everyday look. Again, I love this eyeshadow. I've had it for forever, and again, it's my go-to. And I literally just like to smoke it out on the bottom as well, again, to give me that everyday, daytime smoky look. Since I have on individual lashes, I'm just using mascara Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, and I'm going to be bronzing with the Pretty Vulgar Bronze Bee Sun-Kissed Snitch. And this is, I'm using this as my contour powder. I don't really like to use cream, so this has been like my go-to powder for a couple of months. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild's highlighting powder in Precious Petals. To me, their highlighters are super underrated. It really gives you like a really pretty glow, and it's affordable. So this is definitely one of those highlighters that I just grab and pick up. So for a more dramatic lip, I'm using the Morphe Trendsetter lip pencil. I sometimes pick up Chippy by Morphe, but for this I wanted a more dramatic lip. So this just gives me like that chestnut brown color. And then of course I'm blending it out. And then we're just going to put some gloss on top. The gloss that I'm going to be using is also by Morphe in the color Chill. And this came in their Caramel Trio set. And it's just really pretty. Like, it gives you that brownish tan look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me video. This is the finished look. I really love the way this color came out and how the hair held up. The quality was amazing. So again, I'll see you guys in my next video. and let me know what you guys want to see from my channel. I'm really trying to bring new stuff to you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video.